Internet here. Today is another remake video of the wood picture late brush nickel with silver triangles on the housing and graphite triangle on the light kit. I got this from my neighbor's house for last year, and it originally was my friend's house, but my brother's friends. But they moved out, and then it's just my neighbors. Then it became a rental house for the house, and Hunter and Tara went into its place of the vector late. And now this fan is now in my hands. I was trying to save the Galileo, but I can't. Unfortunately, it was sadly removed, and the light fixture went to the Galileo's place. It's just a plain old light, and then the crystal light in the living room. So I had this fan since the original G10 bulb was a G. All three of them had G10 bulbs. One of them only worked, two of them died. I got three Fiat bulbs for the fan, but one only worked. And then I got all three Fiat bulbs from the light fixtures and used them all for this fan. So it worked. So glad that I had these bulbs. So let's get up for the close. Have this graphite blades reversible to silver. Pardon if I accidentally hit the blades on it. It is not flush. It cannot be flush mounted, but I figured out how to get flush mounted. Here's the pull chain. Here's the logo and the reverse direction. Here's the spotlight is adjustable. You can just in any angle. Here. Now to start off with the demonstration, first with the light. All three of them now work since I got new bulbs from them. I'll shut this off too so you guys can see what it looked like. Put these bulbs on. So let's turn it off. You know, do the fan first with low. Low speed. It moves pretty fast with low speed. It spins really. Since I put it on a 102.7.180 controller, it went up completely fast than this. So, not as too powerful like any showroom or some newer, older fans. I know it's a home center fan, but I just got it because it's just childhood. Alright, that's about for the light. Pull the light on. So here's medium. on meme speed, does go a lot fast. And speed, and the spin down is pretty short. Now, go ahead and turn the fan on high. Like, usually this fan does have rattling noise. Now to do spin down. It's pretty short, so I'm not too worried about this. So if it gets too long, we'll have to split the video in half, because I can't upload more than 50 minutes on my on my phone, so I don't have that since I enabled the link to get it. And I got pissed because they changed the YouTube live stream to channels to 1,000 days. So let's go do reverse. I'll turn the light on. Here it is on low. Okay, so this is it on low. Turn it off. If you guys want to see it. Pretty dark. Whatever. I'll survive that. Now here it is on medium. Alright, that's medium, now high. Yeah, it does push like a bunch of air. Like it does, it's blowing my garage. Yeah, I could feel some air in my legs. Now shut it off. And start spin down once again. Straight with the light on, so. I think no, if it's 188 or something like 153, I'm not sure. I'll have to go look up. Since this Claire has a 172 by 15 millimeter motor, so yeah. And if we have enough time for this, I will start the startup sound. I'll turn the light on here. Dang, I think it looks smelly. I can't smell. So now we're gonna do startup sound. Oops, wrong chain. And that's about it. That's the remake and update video on the 42-inch Harvard Vector Late from 2005. And if I can get some G10 LEDs, I will definitely do a video of it when I get G10 LEDs. So right now I currently don't have those. If I can reach up to 300, I will show it with the G10 LEDs. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy. And I am going to be on lookout for G10 LEDs. If there's any in the store.